You put words in my mouth. I never intended to make it away from you, but you put the blame on me, and I simply failed to see how this is my fault now. This is my fault now. Is it my fault now? Is it my fault now? And from my side, I have been victimized. You've been creating lies. So won't you tell me why I should apologize? Because I have been trying to not think the worst of you, but your reality is so far removed from me, and you seem determined to make it me against you. So now I'm the enemy, yet still I fail to see how this is my fault now. This is my fault now. Tell me how. Is it my fault now? Is it my fault now? Is it my fault? Tell me how. How is it my fault now? From my side, it's not my fault now. Is it my fault now?
That was the Hussy Hicks with My Fault. If you liked what you heard, head on down to the Annandale Hotel this Thursday night. Free gig, the Hussy Hicks. We're lining up the next track. If you liked what you heard in the last one, no guarantees you'll like what you hear next, but it's something different again. It's a LP, Into the Wild. She's been around for a while, bit of a workhorse, but finally hit something big over in the States, and I'm hoping this one is big out here too, but we'll wait and see.
Are we on the lonely side? Say, whoa, now the past long way. And are we so lost in the dark of our hearts that, whoa, there's no light of day, no. So
This is still Parallel Sounds on SWRFM 99.9, and it is the stuff you don't normally hear on Sydney radio. And I've got to thank Paul for those 2 tracks, and one more coming up. He's going to tell me more about it.
Yes, next one's Lauren Hoffman. She does a lot of work online, so if she's probably got a Facebook page and everything up. She's got a new band called Secret Storm. And this one's back when she was just doing her own work. If you like the other 2 songs, this one's a bit more parallel sounds. This one's got a bit of a kick to it. It's off the album Megito, and it's called The Cannibal Ed.
Let's play it.
The cannibals are out long after good kids are in bed. They're coming through the window and they're coming for my head. I'm fed up for killing season, helping God to find a reason just to feed me quickly to the cannibal named Ed. The winter time was long, but the warm winds are blowing now, and I'm looking to the sky like an optimistic summer sound. The walls here are unsteady, and songs of freedom fill my head as I befriend the cannibal named Ed. Feeding time is dangerous. Don't touch the beast unless you must. He's grinning through his shiny teeth. He's dreaming of his bloody feet. So try to find the safest distance or the path of least resistance, lest you be fed to the cannibal named Ed. The cannibal named Ed.
The Cannibal Ed by
Lauren Hoffman.
Lauren Hoffman. Yeah, that's kind of pretty appropriate for this sort of stuff, isn't it?
Yeah, I knew that one would work.
Parallel sounds, yeah. Well, that's the joy of this show. You can play pretty much anything you want as long as it's good. And I have to thank you for bringing in those tracks. They were, you know what, I actually did enjoy them.
Sweet. That's
Sweet.
the goal.
Bro, sweet. Just rehashed, just so people remember the names of those artists that you played.
Yeah, the first track was My Fault by the Hussy Hicks.
Who are playing at the Annandale,
Yes,
wasn't it?
and
Yes.
free gig, so an awesome
Woohoo!
night. And the next one was LP Into the Wild, followed by Lauren Hoffman, The Cannibal Ed. All can be found online pretty easily.
And that's what, YouTube and that is for, isn't it?
Exactly.
Completely legal too. Yeah, let's just, yeah. All right, well, look, we're going to continue on with the whole parallel sort of theme. That was nice music, but let's get a little bit, just out there. This is a band that kind of, I get Throbbing Gristle vibes from them, and not in a bad way too, kind of, Mum, I know you're listening, yeah, that's a good thing, yeah? Also from New Zealand, I have to play this one, from the Dance Asthmatics, it's called, my kind of lunch, Liquid Lunch.
I think you look right. Think about it.